What are we doing, Dave? What do you have me doing today?
Oh, today is the grand opening of ridebhm. It's a brand new park in Birmingham on Red Mountain. They have set it up for mountain bikes, extreme mountain biking, ramps, jumps. There's even an airbag out here today, so you can fling yourself as hard as you want, full sends.
We're gonna fly open propellered 5-inch quads around these fleshy targets.
They're badasses, they can handle it.
Okay. Two great hobbies together, mountain biking and FPV flying.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Perfect combination.
I'm flying the AVATA today in sport mode, and it's doing pretty well. These guys are going fast.
I'm flying a Marmot in acro mode.
Yeah.
No training wheels.
No training wheels. Well, here we are, just waiting for someone to go down the hill. Please go down the hill, make something exciting. That guy had 2 cameras on him. That was good. Yeah, I want to get the guy that I have mic'd. Matt, is he at the top? Oh, is that Matt?
Yeah.
Oh, hey, I got a little bit of battery left. You got?
I'll go do another run.
You got time?
Yeah.
That'd be great, because I really want to follow you while you're mic'd.
Okay, I'll do one more run.
Yeah, it's great. And I was following you too. That was awesome.
Yeah.
That was so great.
Dude, they are getting some sick drone footage, I bet.
Yeah, I heard it behind me. I was like, oh, that's cool.
Yeah, Donovan! Yeah! Send it!
Well, Dave, thanks for the invite. It was a lot of fun.
It's ridiculous fun, as it always is when I meet up with you.
I would say that when I'm hanging out with you, it's the greatest. Huh? Come on, that's funny.
You're the greatest. I just turn on, it's on the stupid learn mode. I don't want to do that.
You don't want to do learn mode.
I know,
You're a pro. You're Todd.
Let's get past this.
Todd, right?
Yep, that's right.
Okay. Hello?
Hello?
Hi.
Hello, man. My name is David Jackson with Door to Door Ministries.
Yeah?
Basically what we're doing today is we're looking for people that's ready to go to heaven. Basically, it's a heaven's prayer list.
Oh.
So you just write, if you're interested,
Yeah.
you write your family name down. And I take this list back to my church family, and we pray over the names on this list.
Oh, no, that's okay, but thank you. Have an awesome day. Yeah.
Okay, I have a little free little paper I want to bless with you.
Okay.
So just leave it by the door.
Make sure you bless it real good, though. Bless it real good.
Bless the shit out of it.
Thank you. Did you bless it? Don't put it in my door unless you bless that thing.
Okay, I'm gonna bless right now.
Bless you.
Please bless this family.
Okay.
And go to heaven with all his family.
Okay.
You guys all you do, David?
Thank you. Thank you.
Amen.
I'm getting some B-roll of your controller hands.
Oh yeah, you can get these stick ends at flyhighfpv.com. These are the thumb grippies. They're resin printed and they come in 3 styles, all blacked out for your Tango 2, your Mambo,
Yeah?
your X-Lite.
Yeah?
Yeah, work on
What
all
else
the
can you
radios.
get at
You can get a
flyhighfpv.com?
clear case so
Uh-huh.
you can DIY your own paint job on your
Uh-huh.
Tango 2 or your Mambo.
Yeah?
I got those. I got the add-on module bays for Mambos.
Right.
and
What
my
else?
Tango 2s.
What else? What else can you get?
I got the upgrade board if you want to take your Tango 2 up to 1,000 milliwatts.
And who doesn't? Who doesn't?
Fly High FPV does. That's all that matters.
What's the website again?
Flyhighfpv.com.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear that. One more time.
Flyhighfpv.com.
Say it again, Dave.
Come on out to flyhighfpv.com. We got Black Friday sales going right now.
Ooh.
Too. I can rip and sell drones at the same time.
Yeah, you
brother.
can. This little Avata is surprisingly agile. I'm gonna land right at your feet. Yeah. Oh, this way. Yeah.